Hey folks, happy Venture Project 1 reviewers, spring 2021. So we are so excited this quarter we're going to be doing peer reviews. So you're going to get to review and give feedback on each other's venture projects. So it's going to be great fun and a wonderful learning opportunity. So I'm on our homepage, again, entrepreneurship.wwu.edu, and I'm clicking on Venture Project 1. And when I go to Venture Project 1, you're going to see at the top of this two different links. One is to the Spring Venture assignment, and one is to the peer review assignment. So I'm opening up the peer review assignment, and you'll see at the top of this also it links to the other assignment to the venture you did, just in case you need that cross-reference. So you have developed an offering, a physical product, an app or website that creates excitement for the fall. Designing an accessible educational experience that fosters culture and engagement. Creating something inspiring and meaningful to you and your team. So those are the projects that you're going to be assessing. And so you will be assigned to a Venture Project 1 reviewers team in groups in Canvas. So if I click on that hyperlink, I get here to the groups, and you will see here Venture Project 1 reviewer group 1, for example, that there are two of you in there, Ava Rosa and Carl. Welcome to each other. You're going to get connected. And so you're going to be reviewing a couple of assignments and providing them feedback and input. So what you're going to do is you're going to check on Sunday 4/11 that you are able to access their project on our WordPress blog site, and you will use the rubric that's in the Venture Project 1 assignment to assess their project and get a sense of what they have done and how it's going. So I would scroll to the bottom of the assignment and look through this, and with your partner, rate this venture project team in terms of how did they perform on their pitch? What do you think about their learning journey video? What do you think about their business model? What do you think about the evidence, the prototype? How, are you able to get to their blog post in order to assess them? And then we always have this category called reviewer choice. So if you do everything required as stated in an assignment, that gets you to a B in our class. And what gets you above that, should you like to, is something above and beyond. And so that above and beyond can take a lot of different formats. That can be like super well organized, easy to navigate. It can be a lot of evidence. It can be like super well defined and graphically iterated. For you as coaches, above and beyond could be to help with next steps for the venture, or to reach out before pitch night or before submission to see if there's anything you can help that team with. So there are a lot of different ways to go above and beyond. And we're looking forward to you continuing to define that. So if I am Ava Rosa and Carl, and I am reviewer group 1, I'm going to go to this spreadsheet from the assignment and look up the reviewer summary here and go into the overview tab, and you'll see that Venture Project Reviewers Team 1 is going to review projects 1 and 2. So you're going to check out projects 1 and 2. Venture Projects 1 and 2 are the ones that you're going to be reviewing. So if I go into the course groups and I look at what Venture Project Group 1 and 2 are, I can look those up and be like, oh, okay. Well, if I wanted to go above and beyond, I would reach out to Venture Project 1, Group 1 and 2 and say, hey, Adam, Brian, John, Karhum, Amelia, Dylan, Erica. And so we're here. We're also working on a venture project. If there are areas that we can collaborate and overlap, we'd love to be of support. So just an example of one of the many ways that we would capture the above and beyond. But what you're going to do is read through the assignment, reread the venture project assignment so you're sure to know and understand the expectations of that project. And then you're going to go in and connect with the teams and give them some great developmental feedback. So what makes a great reviewer assignment? So great reviewer assignment is feedback is helpful, insightful, planned out, and constructive. You go through the rubric. It's 5 to 7 minutes in length. Really help that team grow and learn and stretch. And that specific planned out, each of the team members giving contributions of things that they loved and things that they're curious about, is really the super helpful reviewer status. Aspiring reviewers, the feedback covers top points but doesn't dive deeper, and maybe the video is like a little bit quick and you don't go in deeper, or maybe it just doesn't seem very planned out and you're not covering and rolling through the entire rubric. So you want to make sure that you're helping the other team really understand your interpretation of their achievement of an accessibility revision based on the expectations of the assignment. So as you may know, for those of you that have been around for, where this is the second to the sixth quarter, feedback is a huge part of our community, and helping each other grow and flourish and thrive through coaching and development is amazing focus that we all have throughout the program. So this is a great opportunity for us to kick off together, learning and growing from the very beginning of the quarter. So we are so excited for the things that you're going to come up with. I can't even anticipate them yet because you always shock and delight me. And the teaching team, we're all here to help and support you in this process. And we look forward to seeing your projects and checking out your reviews.